good morning, good morning. Embo, good morning. Welcome back, people. Welcome back to my channel. Back again with another vlog. Yes, back to back on the nasty doubles. And wanna see which glasses me now? I missed my baby. Okay, I missed her. And I felt like, why not? Why not just bring her out of retirement for one day? No, the glasses, remember the problem I had with the lens. It's very dirty. But what work could I for the day? But yeah, this vlog is gonna be a maintenance vlog. I am currently, well, I'm not on my way, but I'm making my way to my braces appointment to tighten my braces because it's time. I don't really remember where I left. You know, I feel like for the settings from this camera and watch it. Hold on, people. I don't really know if this better, but it look brighter, so we're gonna work with it for right now. Stop it, behave yourself. So this is a maintenance vlog. As I said, I'm going to my braces appointment in a few, but I have to eat something first. Because I won't be able to eat for a little while. I don't know how it go. Why am I feel like this still look that? Anyways, tomorrow is Shelby's birthday and there's a surprise birthday party happening for her. The only thing is, I just got the graphic and it's at 4 p.m. I have a lash appointment 3:30. I have a nail appointment at 10 o'clock in the morning and then I got a squeezing lash appointment for 3:30. I wanna know how lashes go. Lashes take 2 hours. So I'm kinda stressed out. This dark same way. I wish my lights come from. Anyways, it's 11:53. I'm supposed to reach my orthodontist in the next few minutes. I'm gonna go up and eat this and head to them. So yeah. Alright, so I got silver and I'm back in elastics. Chill. I knew it was coming. I just got 1 month break, but I'm back. It don't really feel, I'm not gonna tell you that I never changed no wire this time, so I feel terrible. I'm not feel like super tight, but then again it's only immediately after. I forget like 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours to really feel it start kicking. We know this. So I go supposed to go up on the road. But I don't think I'll see you guys again until tomorrow when I have my nail and lash appointment. And then Thursday, which is Emancipation Day, I go do my hair. You guys will see what I'll be doing. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Yeah. Girl in our ear still. Oh. Whopping. My ear now whopping and shocking it. Soon. And she not ready yet? Good morning. I have no edges. Alright people, I have 3 different bundles for bathing. The first bundle, which is what we do today, is a little 30 minutes. Like from the moment I wake up, I open my eyes, I know I have 29 minutes left to leave the house. This is what you're seeing here. No edges. I was box on my ear, only 1 earring then on my ears. But just fling on something I'm fine. I look away. Because I was almost late for my nail appointment. And I don't like being late. But I don't watch time. Like I said this, but I'm not supposed to know by now. I don't like being late at all. At all. So I'm here at my nail appointment. I'm early. I'm just waiting on my nail tech to get here, which is Shanita. And I'm doing the I'm doing some hot girl nails today. I'm also going to be trying almond for the first time. Like if you don't know me, you don't know some burnout almond. Bad. But I'm going to be trying it for the first time today. Hopefully I like it because I'm spending a pretty like a penny to get it done. So drinking some Irish moss because I didn't get time to make any breakfast or eat anything, plus my teeth are hurting me really bad and I'm about to stop talking really soon because my mouth hurts. So yeah. Oh crap, my elastics. I should be wearing my elastics. So after I'm done drinking this, I'm going to put in my elastics and then go get my nails done. After I get my nails done, I have a bag at my shipping company that I need to go and collect. So I'm going to do that. And then after that, I'm going to see if I can go to the Cambia. If I cannot, I'm just going to chill until it's time for my lash appointment. And then after my lash appointment, I have to go home and get ready for Shelby's surprise party. If I can't go to the Cambio today, I'm going to have to go to the Cambio on Thursday because tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is Emancipation Day. Who did tell me that it was a good idea for drinking the Irish Moss right before the appointment? I'm not lactose intolerant, but it's giving that at the moment, and my nail is going to take a look while. I'm not really borrow. I'm not use public. Well, today we shall see. Oh, by the way, my dry dog lick because my fire too big, man. My fire too big. I'm in the earring. I'm just not giving. This is not shammy right now. Jeez, that's why I have to look so bad. But I feel like I can't make it home after the nail appointment. I have to make it home at this rate because judgment, murder for Samantha. Alright guys, you have to focus. This is the finished look. I am obsessed. It looks exactly like my inspiration picture. I'm going to show you guys on the screen. Yeah, but my have to keep it pushing because it's almost 2 o'clock. I need to go to my shipping company, get something to eat, and then go to my lash appointment. So let's hit the ground running. And yeah, we're gonna just do what we can control right now. Yeah. People, news just come out. The Vibes Cartel get released. Somebody get asked so nice. Every party people. Why everybody piss me off on the road? Like today, I don't know if it's because I'm racing the clock or what, but people just are doing more foolishness than normal on the road. I just really want everybody to act normal. Like, act normal. Act how you would on a regular day. Is this zoomed in? So, I collected my package. Right here, I'm going to do a little unbagging for you guys. I really wanted to do it when I'm more put together, but I want to wear it this evening, so I'm going to open it in the car when I park. I have approximately, considering traffic orders, I have 20 minutes to eat what I'm about to pay for. And wait, pause. Oh my god, do I need more cash? I think I need more. Oh my gosh. Do I? I don't. Wait. Yeah, I'm going to need more cash. No, actually, I'm just going to use my. Yeah, I'm just going to use my card for pay for the food. What am I talking about? My head is scrambled. Guys, I'll talk to you guys when I'm about to unbag this bag. So, see you guys in a little bit. I'm sorry if this seems like a car vlog. I promise you it won't be. I just need to get my affairs in order, and then we can get back to regular scheduled program. So this is the package that I got from Tide Locker. They are a retailer for designer replicas. I went ahead and chose a handbag because I thought it was really cute. And you know, these companies, they tend to use the same manufacturers as the actual brand, so it's basically the same product that you're receiving. It's just for a discounted cost under the replica website. So I'm real excited to see how the bag looks, because I know what I got. Give me a second, let me just figure out how to pull this, because my claws are new, you know, them kind of tender down in the roots. I'm not really want to hurt them up here. After fighting with the wrapping for a million years, I'm finally reaching somewhere. Alright, so this is how it comes. This is the bag that it would have been in. I'm assuming really good quality. This is my receipt, I guess, and this is what the bag is in. Wait, let me take a picture, guys. I have 10 minutes until my appointment. I'm cutting it real close, but yeah. Alright, let's see the bag. Time for the grand reveal. Came in a dust bag. Have some little cards in there. Ooh. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, how do I take out the chain? Oh my god, this is so dainty. I love dainty stuff. Ah, the quality is so nice. Wait, let me just, how do I, okay, and then you clip it on here. It's the cutest little purse ever. Oh my goodness. Why that look like plastic? I say, yeah girl, come now. And then on the inside you have the engraved piece of leather here. Oh my god, this is so cute. So cute. Eating with the new nails, eating. But alright, anyways, it's time for me to go to my appointment and stop the horsing around. I'm going to have to put this underneath my seat that nobody don't attempt to take it from me before I get the opportunity to wear it. God. And let's go to my lash appointment. Drink a more juice. The last time when I see my dad Lash Tech, you see what I did now? Shelby place. When I see some makeup on my face, me in a drunk clothes, I'm just
still cute.
Them rush me and we're the only ones here.
In store, because I realized they don't have it online. The suede one too.
Point to the birthday person! Point to the birthday person!
About that, cry? No. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shelby. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, no call.
Happy birthday
to you. May God bless you.
Oh my god, guys.
May the good Lord bless you.
Blood out.
May the good Lord bless you. Put up your cup here and put your hand in a doodoo.
I am the great. Thank you, guys. Uno, dos, guys, I feel like I haven't had the chance to just sit down and turn off my mind for a little bit. But that's why we're going on vacation, so I can sit down and turn off my mind for a little bit. I'm drinking some Irish moss with oats. I don't know, I don't really like making breakfast, so them look something here work for me. Just wash my hair. I'm about to do it, but not right at this second. I feel kind of confused. I don't know. Yesterday was the first day I've ever felt overstimulated. First day, and I don't like the feeling, and I hope I don't feel like that anytime in the near future. Oh my gosh, I could not catch a breath. I could not breathe. I felt like I was stifling for the whole day until in the night, of course. But anyways, the nails are done, the lashes are done. I never even come to and get for showing my lashes, but they are done. They're hybrid. I'm about to do my hair. I'm about to pack. I did not get a chance to go to the Cambia because I thought I would have today, not remembering that today is a holiday. Like, I knew, but I also thought I would be able to. Don't pay me no mind. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get the US, because the airport Cambia isn't always open. I have an early morning flight, so yeah, I'm a little bit overwhelmed. Just a little bit overwhelmed, but it's fine. We'll power through. May I go kind of get myself together and then come back to it. But coming out and like, when I see me right now, I'm feel like me a cramp on my inside. So I'm still talk to them. It's currently 12:36. I feel like I have some form of control over the day now. Yeah, I feel like I have some form of control over the day now. I always feel like this is zooming in. I went and got gas, because as much as I early morning first time I didn't really need gas, and I got the US. So the only thing I have to do now is my hair and pack, and I'm gonna pack right now. Maybe by 5 o'clock, may I try if I just sit down. I just want to sit down and have nothing to do but watch TikTok by 5 o'clock. Cause I feel like I deserve that, right? I don't know what time my ear I get for the, to be very honest, but we're gonna match it. And yeah, I'm gonna know how it will look, because the front of my ear very short, as you can see. Yeah, but we're gonna work it. Mega pack. I'm not gonna show you what I pack, because I don't know my setup. I'm gonna show you the clothes before I put it on. So you're not gonna stay tuned for the next vlog, because this vlog is posted on Monday when I'm already there. And I'm probably gonna know which part I'm there by them time, but I'm still not gonna tell you in this video. Look out for the next video, next week Monday, for all of that. So mega pack, and then look at here. I'm something. I'm so tired. I can't tell you know how I done my ear and my take snap and post on Instagram. I'm post on TikTok. I never remember nothing about it until I wrap up the ear, but don't just ignore this. Just shh. Ignore it. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys in the morning when I leave for the airport, which is when I go, like when we reach and check in, I go in the vlog. But the hair is finished. I'm fully packed. The only thing left for going, I'm like my skincare and stuff, which I need for in the morning when I bed. I am fully packed and ready to go. I feel like I have everything under control now. I can breathe. So it's an early morning flight. We leave for the airport by 3:34. Not looking forward to that, but I'm looking forward to seeing my girl and being in my destination. So see you guys in the morning when I am getting ready to the airport. Hello. Good morning, Jam World. Suitcases fully packed. This is what I'm carrying as my personal item on the plane. And it is 2 o'clock in the morning. And I'm about to start getting ready. I just woke up. I went to bed from like 9:30. I'm tired. I took out shorts and a crop top to wear, but yeah, me not think that I go work. I go look for one full length pants. And I soon when me comb my ear and me look lookable. Okay guys, okay. Alright guys, so this is how the hair is looking. I decided to go with the shorts after all. I don't really, never really feel the pants vibe, and the place is kind of hot, but I've decided that I am going to end the vlog here so I can start the other vlog here, and I can edit this while I am waiting in the airport. Please excuse my voice, I just wake up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a little bit chaotic, I know it was a little bit all over the place, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next vlog, which will be the travel vlog. You'll find out where I'm going and all of that stuff, although I probably already know. I'm not 100% sure if I know, but yeah, no problem, no, because I'm under this post, and right now it's Friday morning, so I will see you guys in the next vlog, which will be the official travel vlog. Until then, stay tuned to the interwebs, stay tuned to my Instagram, which is ShammyKG, for all the looks, and also follow my TikTok because I'm starting to be more active over there again. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye. Oh, comment where you think I'm going in the comment section down below. And if you already know, comment one different place. If I've already announced it, tell me somewhere else into the comment section down below. Okay, bye.